Welcome back to my channel again. Today, we are traveling to a hidden gem in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, the Shanthipura Eagle View Point. Shanthipura is not just any village. It holds a special title. It is proudly known as the highest village in Sri Lanka. Located above Nuwara Eliya, at around 7,900 feet above sea level, this tiny settlement is surrounded by mist, mountains, and breathtaking views. The village itself has a unique story. Back in the 1960s, the then Prime Minister Dudley Senanayake established this community to support farming families. Today, the villagers mostly grow vegetables, potatoes, and tea, adapting to the cool mountain climate. Walking through Shanthipura, you'll notice its simplicity: narrow roads, colorful gardens, and friendly locals who live a quiet life above the clouds. Now, let's talk about the highlight: the Eagle View Point. As the name suggests, this spot offers a view so wide and so high that it feels like you're soaring with an eagle. From here, you can see the entire town of Nuwara Eliya below, often called Little England for its colonial charm. Gregory Lake glistens in the distance. Tea estates roll endlessly across the hills. And on clear days, you can even catch a glimpse of Pidurutalagala, the tallest mountain in Sri Lanka. Early morning is magical here. The golden sunrise lights up the valley, while the mist slowly drifts away, uncovering patchwork fields and red-roofed houses. Evening is equally stunning, with the sky painted in shades of orange and purple. But this viewpoint is not only about scenery, it's also about perspective. Standing here, looking down at the bustling town and vast landscapes, you realize how small we are compared to nature's grandeur. If you plan to visit, here are a few tips. The best time is morning between 7 to 9 a.m. or late evening before sunset. Carry a light jacket, as the wind can be quite chilly at this altitude. Take your time. Walk through the village, talk to the locals, and enjoy a cup of hot tea from a roadside stall. For photographers and drone lovers, this is paradise. Every angle offers a frame worth capturing, from dramatic landscapes to portraits of village life. So, why should you visit Shanthipura Eagle View Point? Because it's not just a place to see, it's a place to feel. A blend of history, culture, and stunning natural beauty. A reminder that sometimes the most peaceful destinations are hidden high above the clouds. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations across Sri Lanka. Until we meet again, stay blessed